Look your nose.
No!
Come on.
No!
Cuckoo.
Ritual.
Hunter. Hunter.
The video promptly was to ponder the unknown and contemplate the
Thumbs
thin
up.
veil between the mundane and the paranormal. As
Smile it,
these
Uncle Chris.
discuss with theories and conjecture,
Hi.
one can't
You
help
got
but
Dee Dee?
wonder what's really going on.
Right on.
Ah!
You guys are number one.
There.
You guys are number one.
Oh, you're number
In his
two.
What?
He's number 2, Hunter. Get it?
Hunter's giving me the middle toes and the middle fingers.
Ah!
Oh
Here's
my
mine.
gosh.
Here's my fingers.
You're doing it like this.
Okay, am I doing the right way?
No, you have to do it like this.
Okay.
I'm gonna show you. Not this. Not
Despite wearing a heavy jacket that day, the poster was
Oh, yeah.
Okay, like
Teaching
that.
her how to do
There.
the middle finger.
pointed out by his
Yeah, the
father,
wrong one
Henry
again.
Selwood. Skeptical
Oh no,
of their
she got the
origin,
right one
poster
that
used
time.
I got that one that time.
mundane activities like carrying
So, there,
concrete.
that's
My
what we
goodness.
think of that.
Okay.
However, the distinct
Hey,
appearance
Hunter.
of these
Thank you very
marks
much.
You're very welcome. Come again.
What a nice group of folks.
Okay, I need a drink of cold water. You got any?
To the story, the
What?
poster reveals that a woman in her 30s
What are you
was
talking
previous
about?
August, likely
Okay, look,
drug
look,
overdose.
look, look, look,
Uh-uh.
Possibility of a
He,
lingering
he's running and she's the one sweating.
Ah!
The size and spacing of the finger-like bruises in
Okay,
this
bye, bye, bye.
woman's hand.
Uh-oh. He lost his
Though
springboard.
not a believer in the paranormal,
Did I find it?
the
Oh, look what I found.
Was the poster slapped by a ghost? Or is there another way to explain the sudden and mysterious
Not even
appearance of
Eating
these
his
marks?
chips.